Assalamualaikum everyone. So I'm going to discuss change number 7 functions. बेटा बहुत ही basic change है that is related to the understanding of domain and range. That what do you mean by domain and range and what are the mapping diagrams? Mapping diagrams की interpretation आपको आनी चाहिए. So it's a very basic concept. Let's discuss the function first. Function क्या होता है बेटा? Function is basically a machine which takes input as x and processes it and gives you an output. ठीक है. सो फंक्शन इनपुट एक्सेप्ट करती है, उस पर काम करती है, प्रोसेस करती है और आपको आउटपुट देती है. सो सिंपली द इनपुट और द वैल्यूज ऑफ एक्स आर नाउ कॉल्ड एज डोमेन ऑफ द फंक्शन एंड द कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग वैल्यूज ऑफ द वाई और आउटपुट आर कॉल्ड एज रेंज ऑफ द फंक्शन. सो सिंपल सी अंडरस्टैंडिंग है, एक्स अब आपका डोमेन है और वाई आपका क्या है, रेंज है. वाई और एफ ऑफ एक्स मीन्स योर रेंज ऑफ द फंक्शन. सो लेट्स डिस्कस अ वेरी बेसिक एग्जाम्पल how we can calculate the domain and range. So f of x is equals to 3x minus 5. Beta, it's a kind of a linear function. Domain is given to me. Domain is minus 3, 0 and 2. ठीक है. I need to find out the range. Range find करने के लिए क्या करेंगे? I'll simply put these three values turn by turn in the function and I'll find out the corresponding values of y or f of x. ठीक है जी. चलिए let's start. So the first value is x is equals to minus 3. So let's plug x is equals to minus 3 instead of x. And I'll have 3 times minus 3 minus 5. So 3 times minus 3 gives me minus 9. Minus 9 minus 5 gives me minus 14. So I have got my output which is minus 14. So now my next input is x is equals to 0. So let's put it x is equals to 0. 3 times 0 minus 5. So finally what will be my answer? I'll get simply minus 5. So my third value in the domain is 2. So now let's put x is equals to 2. 3 times 2 minus 5. 3 times 2 is 6. And 6 minus 5 gives me 1. So see, I have got my corresponding values of the range. So I'm going to write them down. Minus 14, minus 5, and finally I have got my third value which is 1. So this is how you can find out the range if the domain is given to you. Now let's have a very basic idea about the mapping diagrams. बेटा mapping diagrams में क्या होता है? You have oval shapes. ठीक है, आप ये दो oval shapes बनाते हैं and you write down simply the values of the domain and you also write down the values of the range you have got. ठीक है, इसके जो corresponding values आएंगे and then you have to connect them with the help of an arrow. ठीक है, so as per the question, when x was minus 3 my answer was minus 14. When x was 0 my answer was minus 5 and when x was 2 my answer was 1. ठीक है जी, so I have got my range. Now simply what I need to do, I need to connect them with the help of an arrow. So these are called as mapping diagrams. ठीक है, अब ये mapping diagram आपको क्या बता रही है? Actually it is telling you f of minus 3 is equals to minus 14, f of 0 is equals to minus 5 and f of 2 is equals to 1. ठीक है, so बेटा ये mapping diagram की interpretation थी. अगर आपके पास ये diagrams आएंगी तो you should know कि ये क्या बता रही है आपको. ठीक है, thank you.